Learn English word. Commence. Meaning: to start or begin. The exam will commence at 9 a.m. The meeting will commence at 10 a.m. The meeting will commence at 10 a.m. She was excited to commence her new job. She was excited to commence her new job. He felt nervous to commence his performance. He felt nervous to commence his performance. The class will commence after the break. The class will commence after the break. He was excited to commence his studies abroad. He was excited to commence his studies abroad. The countdown will commence before the launch. The countdown will commence before the launch. The team is ready to commence the game. The team is ready to commence the game. The ceremony will commence after the guests arrive. The ceremony will commence after the guests arrive. The trip will commence on Monday. The trip will commence on Monday. The party will commence at the park. The party will commence at the park. The race will commence in 10 minutes. The race will commence in 10 minutes. The journey will commence at the airport. The journey will commence at the airport. The show will commence with a magic trick. The show will commence with a magic trick. The science fair will commence in 2 months. The science fair will commence in 2 months. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.